Hi guys, welcome back to my moves. In today's video, I am going to share with you all how I made sheer kurma on the day of Ramjan. Yeah, believe me guys, I just tried this one for the first time and that was so yummy, and you definitely have to try this one, which is so healthy and tasty, and everyone in my family loved it so much and hope you love this video too. And if you do so, please subscribe and like my video. These six dry fruits are so important for the sweet. If you want them to be little soft in the sweet, you can soak them overnight. But I've soaked them 3 hours before preparation because I like them to be crunchy. So it's a kajur, some kismis, badam, cashew, pistachio, and chiranji. Along with these, you need to have 30 grams of semia, some condensed milk, some desi ghee, and some milk. Cut the dates into little pieces as they are big to eat at once. Meanwhile, boil your milk and sow almonds and sow cashews. And our milk has come to boil. It's good to see. And the tip is try to mix milk all the time so that it will not stick to the bottom of the pan. And here are all dry fruits which all ready to dive into our milk. So take another pan and take some ghee, say a tablespoon of ghee, and try to like dry roast or salt the dry fruits. And now add all the dry fruits to the boiling milk. And mix it thoroughly. And to the same pan, add 30 grams of semia and dry roast it like this. Now add the semia to the same milk and mix it properly. At this point, you can add 100 grams of condensed milk, which is the game changer. Gonna give your sweets such a good taste, and voila! Our sheer khurma is all ready, and I'm dishing out this with help of almonds. And I promise guys, each and everyone in our family loved this sweet so much.